Hey everybody, Mr. Justin here from the Hernando County Public Library. Welcome back to our summer reading program, Imagine Your Story. And today we are making bath bombs and sugar scrubs. So I hope you're all ready for some fun. And then you can use these for your shower, for your bath. And if you want to participate along, you can get our bag at your local branch. It's going to have the recipe and directions in it. So if I'm going a little fast and we don't pick up completely what we talked about today, you can just follow along the instructions. And that should work very well. So we'll start with the bath bomb. And when you get your bag, you'll get the recipe sheet and you'll see everything that you need, including the citric acid, the baking soda, the cornstarch, and the salt. Now when you get the bag, they'll all be labeled so you'll know exactly what they are. And you'll take these dry ingredients and put them in a bowl. You'll need to supply your own bowl, but that's okay. You'll put them all in. They're all pre-measured. So once they're all in the bowl, you're going to mix it with the spoon that's included in the bag. And you're going to keep mixing it till they're all evenly mixed together. And then you're going to take another bowl and put the wet ingredients. And the wet ingredients are going to be the essential oil. You can take the little dropper and put about 10 to 15 drops of the essential oil. You have two different choices. You can choose which one you want to do. You can put in the color dye that we have in there. You're going to get a little bit of water. Again, the instructions will be in the sheet. And then you'll have a little small container of coconut oil. If it is hot outside, you can just leave it outside. It'll melt. If it's solid, you need it to be melted. And then you'll mix them together in the bowl with the wet ingredients. You're then going to combine the wet with the dry and keep mixing and mixing and mixing until it's kind of a dry, powdery consistency. You're going to get the little plastic molds. You're going to pack it in the mold, shut the orb, and you're going to leave it there just for a little while. Some will tell you to do it all night, some say just a few minutes, but if you just keep it maybe 5 minutes and then take it out, you'll be nice and hopefully it'll be fairly solid. And then the ingredients, the recipe should make about 2 or 3 of the bath bombs. Once you're finished with it, you can put it in the little bag and just set it aside for a few days before you actually use it. And then we're going to go ahead and that should be the bath bombs. For the sugar scrub, what you're going to need is you're going to need your little bigger container of coconut oil. And this is a microwave-friendly container, so if it is solidified, if it's solid, you can put it in there and melt it, or just put it outside on a hot day to melt it. And you'll also need your sugar. And so what you're going to do is you'll need another bowl. You'll put your sugar in it. You'll start pouring the coconut oil and the other essential oil, or either of the oils, that's fine. And you'll keep mixing it until it's a consistency that you like. You'll probably be using all the oil and you'll definitely use all the sugar. And you'll mix it and it'll have the nice essential oil smell, so it'll smell really cool. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and clean this container and put it back in this container, close the lid, and you have your sugar scrub. And so those are the instructions of making your own bath bomb and making your own sugar scrub. If you have any questions at all, we will have the instructions in the recipe for you. You can also ask questions on our Facebook page and we'll answer them for you. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have fun. Bye.